What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another tweak video. I am cranking these out like crazy because there's so many awesome tweaks on iOS 14. Now, if there's anything I don't mention in this video, be sure to check out the playlist link in the description. Best iOS 14 tweaks playlist, ton of stuff I've covered. But anyways, we're taking a look at Keys Plus. Now, if we go into the settings here, Key Plus. Now, basically what this tweak is all of these action controls at the bottom of the keyboard. As you can see, there is a cut, there is a copy, there is a paste, there's an emoji button where you can click and it'll show you your recently used emojis. You have a paste button, you have a select all button. If you swipe over, there's even more. You have a forward, backward, and then you have the little icon here that brings up like the paste buttons and stuff like that. It'll bring up like the select all automatically. Instead of clicking and holding with your finger, you just click that button and it pops the little pop-up up. So very, very cool. And it's really quite simple, and I really like it a lot. So in settings here, you can see you have control over the emoji bar. So if you don't want to use recent emojis, you can put the ones in here that you use the most, just like that. You can customize how many there are. You can have there be 5, 6, or 7. I keep it at 5. I think that that's good enough. And then you have your pasteboard options here. Pasteboard items count. By default, it's at 10. You can bump that up if you want. You can have it don't add duplicate items, so that way you don't have, a bunch of the same copies. And then don't add empty items either. So I have that enabled. And then the action bar here, you can customize all of the actions. So if there's some of these that you don't want to use, you can, get rid of them, or you can rearrange this to however you want. And then you can change the amount of actions shown per page as well. Default is 6. I think that looks perfect. And then you have swiping keys here as well. Enable swiping key, use preset swiping key. So you can customize the settings here. Now, this is pretty crazy. So you can have, like, if you want Q to be 1, you can have it just like that. Saved swiping keys. So basically, if we go in here and we swipe up, as you can see, it input 1. So a lot of customization in terms of that. But like I said, we can quickly type a bunch. We can select it all. We can cut it out. We can paste it back in. Like I said, your emojis here. I think I have to do a respring for that to change. And yeah, and you just swipe across it if you want to go forward, backward. As you can see there, very, very cool tweak. And that's basically what you can do with Key Plus. Awesome tweak. I'll leave the tweak information down in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tweak review. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.